Hello everyone, today is about TOC. TOC means Theory of Computation. See, this is a subject which deals with machines called automata, means automata or machine. See, in this subject there are four types of machines are there: finite automata, push-down automata, linear bounded automata, and Turing machines. See, before I start, I want to tell you one thing. This subject carries good marks, that is from 9 to 12 marks in GATE. So every year 9 to 12 marks are coming in GATE. So this subject is very important for GATE. See, now there are four types of machines are there: finite automata, push-down automata, linear bounded automata, and Turing machines. Now, what is the function of this automata? Means what is the function of these machines? The function of these machines is, if there one string is given, for example a to the power n, b to the power n, and this string is not accepted by this finite automata, then we are moving to push-down automata. Similarly, if in this machine, if some string is given, for example a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, and this string is not accepted by this machine, then we are moving to this machine, that is linear bounded automata. Similar case happens in this machine also. If some strings are not accepted by this machine also, then we are moving to Turing machine, and every string is accepted by Turing machines. Means it is a universal machine. Means every string in this whole world is accepted by these machines, that is called Turing machine. So first we'll study finite automata, then we'll study push-down automata, then one by one. See, another thing is there is some grammar in this machine. There are some grammar which generate languages. Means in this every machine there is some grammar. It deals with some grammar which generate languages. In finite automata there is a grammar called regular grammar. Similarly, in push-down automata there is a grammar called context-free language. And similarly, in linear bounded automata, the grammar is called context-sensitive language. Similarly, in Turing machines, the grammar it deals with RE sets, that is recursive enumerable sets. So these four types of machines deals with this type of grammar. Finite automata deals with regular grammar, push-down automata deals with context-free language, and linear bounded automata, see, it is grammar. See, linear bounded automata deals with context-sensitive language or context-sensitive grammar, or Turing machine deals with recursive enumerable sets. Now, see, this is the grammar, this is language, and this is automata. Means what is the function of grammar? The grammar will generate language. Grammar will generate all type of languages, And what is the function of language? Language function is collection of strings. Means collection of strings. For example, here the string is A, triple A, dot. Means collection of string is called language, and grammar means it will generate all types of language, and collection of string is called language. And what is the function of automata? Means machine. Automata means machine. It will accept. It's a function. It will accept. It will accept this string. The function of this automata will accept this string. So now we are going to study finite automata. Then we will see push-down automata. See, finite automata is divided into two types. Finite automata with output and finite automata without output. See, again, finite automata without output means divided into two types, that is Murray machine and this Millet machine. So means in this case this machine will give output yes or no. The grammar, the string is there in the language, the string is accepted by this machine or no. It will give yes or no answer. And finite automata without output is divided again into three types. One is DFA, one is NFA, and one is epsilon NFA. Now what do you mean by DFA? DFA means deterministic finite automata. NFA means non-deterministic finite automata, and epsilon NFA means non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon. So what is DFA? What is NFA? So we'll study one by one in details, because in GATE everything is important, because this subject carries a huge marks, means a huge weightage. There's 10 to 12 marks every year from this subject questions are asked. So in the next video we are studying with DFA, then we will go with NFA. So thanks for watching. Thank you.